The virtual reality landscape is stirring again, and this time, it's not just another ripple, it's a tidal wave. As whispers grow louder and leaks more frequent, the tech world is bracing for what could be a defining moment in immersive technology, the Meta Quest 4. This isn't simply another hardware refresh. For many, it's being heralded as a lifeline for consumer VR, a bold step forward that might reshape not only how we interact with virtual environments, but also how we integrate them into our daily lives. The excitement around this headset isn't just fueled by marketing. It's powered by ambition, innovation, and a hope that maybe, just maybe, this will be the product that finally pulls VR into the mainstream. At the heart of this anticipation is Meta's larger vision. The company isn't just building gadgets, they're constructing an entirely new digital ecosystem. With the Quest 4, they aim to create a seamless bridge between the real and the virtual, a portal through which users can step effortlessly into a world of boundless creativity, productivity, and entertainment. The stakes are high. After all, Meta has poured billions into the Metaverse concept, and this headset might be the single most critical component of that strategy. If it succeeds, it could legitimize an entire generation of immersive technology. If it fails, it could become another expensive misstep. The first place this revolution begins is in how the device feels. Wearing a VR headset for more than a few minutes often reveals the Achilles heel of the tech discomfort. Bulky builds, front-heavy designs, sweaty facial padding, it all adds up to a less than ideal experience. That's why the Meta Quest 4 is rumored to be going through a complete physical overhaul. Reports suggest a much lighter and more refined build than its predecessors. And this isn't just cosmetic. A slimmed-down frame and improved weight distribution are key to longer, more comfortable sessions, whether you're immersed in a game, designing a product, or collaborating in a virtual workspace. A notable upgrade could be in the materials themselves. The device is expected to shed the plastic-y feel of previous generations for something more premium, sleek, elegant, and durable. Magnetic face cushions are also expected, offering not only easier cleaning, but also making the headset more shareable without hygiene concerns. And that's a big deal for classrooms, offices, and social spaces where one device might pass through several hands in a single session. Add to that a redesigned head strap that balances the load more evenly and enhanced airflow for reduced heat and fogging, and it's clear that Meta is prioritizing long-term wearability. But as impressive as comfort may be, the soul of any VR headset lies in the visuals. And here, the Quest 4 might just leap ahead of the competition. Industry insiders hint at a move to micro-OLED displays or advanced pancake lenses, technologies that could push resolution to new heights, potentially to KPI or beyond. The implications are profound. No more pixelated text. No more blurry landscapes. Just crisp, vivid, high-detail worlds that feel truly alive. Combine that with a rumored 140 Hz refresh rate, and what you get is not just a prettier image, but a smoother, more comfortable one. Fast-paced action games, once nausea-inducing, could become buttery smooth, and general usage will feel far more natural. And then there's mixed reality, the holy grail of blending virtual and physical worlds. The Quest 4 may dramatically advance what's already been introduced in the Quest Pro and Quest 3. Expect full-color pass-through, high-fidelity environmental mapping, and advanced depth sensors that allow digital elements to live within your actual space. It's no longer a science fiction fantasy to imagine a virtual monitor floating above your real desk or an interactive avatar sitting on your couch. This isn't about gimmicks, it's about functional, day-to-day utility. Whether it's a game board that appears on your coffee table or a creative suite spread across your living room, the line between digital and physical is vanishing. A revolutionary change might be coming in the way users interact with the device. According to leaks, the Quest 4 may ditch controllers entirely, or at least offer a controller-free mode via sophisticated hand tracking. Picture controlling your environment with natural gestures, pinching to select, swiping to scroll, and waving to dismiss, all without holding a thing. This could open up VR to users who've previously been intimidated by complicated button layouts and clunky remotes. At the same time, Meta seems to be hedging its bets. Rumors also suggest redesigned controllers are in the works, potentially featuring advanced haptics and onboard cameras for ultra-precise tracking. This dual-mode input could allow users to shift seamlessly between intuitive hand gestures and the traditional tactile control they've come to trust. Powering all of this might be a next-generation Snapdragon X chip co-developed with Qualcomm. This processor is expected to unlock major performance gains, from more lifelike graphics to quicker load times and better multitasking. It's not just about making games prettier. It's about supporting entirely new types of applications, ones that require high AI processing, voice recognition, or real-time spatial computing. Imagine eye-tracking features that adjust the UI based on where you're looking, or AI-driven assistants that respond to natural speech. The power inside the Quest 4 could finally make these visions a reality. With all that hardware muscle, the software has to evolve too, and Meta knows it. Their Horizon platform is undergoing a transformation, positioning itself as the foundational layer of the Metaverse. The Quest 4 is expected to launch alongside a revamped Horizon experience featuring persistent environments, customizable avatars, spatial audio, and interactive tools designed for both work and play. Walk into your virtual office, and everything remains just as you left it. The desk layout, your digital notes, even your calendar. Or host a virtual meeting where voices come from the correct direction in 3D space, making it feel far more like a real-world conversation. Gaming, of course, remains central to the experience. Meta is reportedly partnering with leading developers to deliver AI-exclusive titles tailored specifically for the Quest 4. These games won't just be ports from other systems, they'll be purpose-built to harness the headset's unique capabilities. That means richer worlds, smarter AI, and interaction models that wouldn't be possible on flat screens. For gamers, this could be the reason to switch. For Meta, it's the ace up their sleeve. But with all this innovation, a crucial question lingers. What will it cost? Most analysts are pointing to a price range between $500 and $600. That's higher than the base Quest 2 or Quest 3, but well below ultra-premium headsets like Apple's Vision Pro. In that sense, Meta might be hitting the perfect middle ground, offering cutting-edge features at a price accessible to power users and prosumers. And for those not ready to invest that much, there's talk of a Quest 4 Lite version, a budget-friendly alternative that still taps into the same rich content ecosystem, albeit with pared-down specs. And let's not forget competition. The VR battleground is heating up. Apple has already entered with an expensive yet compelling offering. PlayStation continues to develop immersive experiences tied to its console ecosystem. But Meta has something no one else does: scale. They've already shipped millions of Quest headsets, created an app store bursting with titles, and built a social framework that encourages long-term engagement. The Quest 4 isn't starting from scratch, it's standing on the shoulders of a platform that's already proven itself. As we move closer to the projected late 2025 release date, likely during Meta's annual Connect conference, the sense of anticipation is only growing. Developers, content creators, educators, and everyday consumers are all watching closely. This isn't just about virtual reality anymore. It's about creating a digital future that feels just as real, just as personal, and just as impactful as the physical one. And for Meta, the Quest 4 isn't just their next headset, it might be their last chance to lead that charge. The countdown has begun. And whether you're ready to jump in or just curious about where technology is heading, one thing is clear: the world is about to change again.